Over 300 million people use Google Translate daily, but most don't know there is a faster, smarter, and free alternative in 2025. This free AI translator beats Google Translate hands down. Yes, you heard me right. Better translations, zero cost, and smarter AI results. Forget struggling with clunky word-for-word translations, because in few minutes you will see how this free AI can provide clear meaning, context, and flow. I will guide you step by step so you can start using it right away. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel we'll discuss educational technology and digital productivity tools. If you would like to learn more about teaching and learning, research, AI, and digital productivity tools, please hit the subscribe button and join our community so you never miss any new video. If you are ready, let's get started.
Turning onto my computer, the first first thing I will do is to open Chrome. From Chrome, I will go to Google and enter Machine Translation. Press enter and wait for it to load. Here we can see the website. This is the first one, but do not worry, as I will put the link in the description box below. Now if I click to open this website, you can see from this website, machinetranslation.com, you can translate from one language to another. But before we do that, let us open the popular Google Translate that so many people use. So if I come back here to Google and see Google Translate, then open the first one. Many people who use computer tools to do their translation always use Google Translate, but Google Translate has a lot of limitations. Now let us try it. If I paste this text here, this is a simple text, and side by side we'll have the English versions. Now if I should change it to Spanish here, it is going to translate it from English to Spanish. You can change to any other language of your choice, such as Hindi for people in India, or French for people in France, and so many other countries here. You can see a lot of countries, things like Yoruba, Igbo, and so many other languages. For this now, I am going to change it to French. So let me choose French here, and it will automatically change to French. But if you give this test to someone who knows how to speak and write French very well, the person is going to point out some mistakes, showing that Google Translate is not that perfect. Now let us go back to machine translation. Machine translation is so perfect because it uses different AI tools such as ChatGPT, DeepL, Gemini, Grok AI, Gwen AI, and so many other tools. Okay, and the tool, which is machine translation, is already trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. Okay, and there are more than 1 billion words translated, 270 plus supported languages, 85% AI powered translation accuracy, plus 100% accuracy with human review. Okay, so this is what sets machine translation apart from Google Translate. Now let us paste our text. Okay, I will scroll up and enter my text here. Do not forget that you can upload file if that is what you want. So if I paste text here, this is my text. After that, this software automatically detects that this text is in English. I will then say translate to. I'll have to choose another language. Let me choose French. I'll go to F from here and then click on French. After that, I'll then click on translate button and wait for machine translation to do its magic. As you can see, it is using different AI tools to do this translation. So here are the AI tools here. So this is my English version, while this is the French version. If you know how to speak French and you also know how to speak English, and you happen to compare it side by side with the one Google Translate did, you will see that the one Machine Translation did is more accurate. So I would like you to try it and tell me what you observe. Okay, let me have your observation in the comments section. Do not forget that it is currently showing us translation from Gemini. You can switch to Cloud. You see different translation according to Cloud, or ChatGPT. This is according to ChatGPT, and this one is according to Grok, and so on. How cool is that? If you like, you can pay $89 per month for unlimited translation. That is, if this is your work and do it most often, you can pay, and again sign up so that you will get more features. Let me know, would you do your translation manually or stick to Google Translate, or would you rather try machine translation?
I hope this video was helpful. Let's have your thoughts through the comment section below. Subscribe, like and share it with your loved ones. We also made a video about Google AI Studio. It is a platform that gives you access to all the Google AI tools. The link to that video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.